Hey friends, it's Kevia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. In this video, I'll be packing some Christmas gifts for my son's teachers. All right, you guys, I'm getting ready to put together Jordan's teachers' Christmas gifts. So I picked up 3 of these. He have 3 teachers. So I'm going to put these in the bags along with these cups that I'll be putting their names on. So you can put like coffee or wine in here, whichever they prefer. And then I have these motivation cubes that I thought were so cute. I found these at Dollar General. So one side say, you become what you believe, and then bloom where you are planted, good vibes only. And then this one says, life is short, live it. So yeah, I thought these were so cute. So I got 2 just like that, and then I got this one, and this one says cherish every moment, do something amazing each day, be grateful, and good vibes. And so they have 5 sides. I only read, I don't think I said this one, make every day count. But yeah, I thought these were cute, something that they can have on their desk or just take home, whatever. But I thought this was something cute, something different. But I always try to give the teachers something for Christmas and for teacher appreciation. But so I'm gonna put their names on these. I did print them out already using my silhouette machine, so I'm just gonna put their first name on here. And then I also picked up these clear plastic ornaments, and they are fillable, which I thought was so cool. So I'm like, what can I put in here? So I got these erasers and I put these in here. I'm like, it's totally giving teacher vibes. So yeah, I thought I would do that, give them this. And I found these really cute bags as well. They are felt material, and I'm gonna go ahead and put their gifts in here. They have a little celebration tomorrow, so I figured I would just pack it up tonight and let him give these to his teachers tomorrow.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa, or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same?
I have the gifts all packed up and ready to go. I hope they love them. It's always nice to show teachers our appreciation, putting up with our babies all day. Hats off to them, because I can't put up with other people's kids. But yeah, I really love these bags. I think they're so cute. I did get these from Dollar General, and they were $3 each.
I need it.